Ladies and gentlemen, our referee for the contest is Anthony Pangalosa. It is round number one. For those of you who just joined us, Michael Natividad wearing the blazing brown shorts, Dennis Rotada in green. Ito na po ang final sa Pinoy Fighter. Sino ang mag-awagi beautiful takedown del drilling? What do you think? Beautiful takedown del drilling. What do you think? Dito si Dennis Rotada. Pero ngayon, hindi ko siya nakikita nung ito, especially nung ginalibag siya. And like Natividad, he gets full mount, and he gets the back, he gets the back, and now, all Mike has to do is put in the hook to it. He did, and hindi ko alam kung paano niya tatapusin ko. Ito mo ito.
How much if he can do this position knowledge, sir?
Si Mike, wala, as of now, wala. Tinanggal yung hook niya, hindi masyadong pinotekta yung hook niya. And medyo hilaw yung hook na pinapasok ni Mike dito. Tawag ko, but he's going for a first dito, si Dennis Rotada, walang pinapakita na now he's punching with it. Kaya, nakita nga natin, nagsilaw yung hook. And he pulled, siguro sobrang atat na kunin yung choke. He pulled, then Boy Dumag, puerto. And wala, ginawa lang ni Boy Dumag, kumikaw kasi wala nagko-control sa head niya. And now he's on top and punching away on Mike's head and his body. But maritig na natin talaga dito yung yes ni Boy Dumag sa control, even if it's inside the fight. And as you know, wrestlers, medyo ayon talaga nila na sinalarin sila. Hindi sa mayroon na kaligasa ilalim. Hindi nakakapit lang si Mike na sibilan sa ulo.
This is not a possible situation for Mike. That!
Pero yung gusto nila po, but sa lahat. Ayan, tuwa-tuwa siya, bumabalik. At ngayon, hindi ko na rin marinig yung sarili ko. Hindi na mga tao dito, tuwa-tuwa sila.
Ayun po sa pamilya, laro na tayo real